My name is Michael Gilmore. This is a video explanation of Problem 6 in Section 7.6 of Sibylla Beckman's textbook. It is part of a video assignment for my Mathematics for Teacher course at Bridgewater State University. Jumping right into number 6. It asks us, how much should Swanko Jewelers charge now for a necklace if they want the necklace to cost $79.95 when they reduce their prices by 60%? And it's going to have me explain why I did the way I did. So I did it in two different ways just to show how everything should go. So to start off, 60% of the store's original price is going to be $79.95. So that means we're going to do a ratio to show how everything works out. We're going to get 0.6. I don't know why I keep writing x's after everything I do today, but that just keeps happening. 0.6 over 1.0, which is equal to 79.95 over our missing variable. So we're going to cross multiply and divide. We get 79.95 is equal to 0.6x. We're going to divide the whole equation by 0.6. The 0.6's cancel out. In the end, we're going to get that x equals 133.25. That means that 133.25, you can see that little decimal point there, is the original price at 100%. So that's pretty easy. The reason we do it this way is because all you have to do is a quick cross multiply. 1 times 79.95 is just 79.95. And 0.6 times x is just 0.6x. You divide by 0.6, which brings the number back up by that 60% we already took off, and you end up with 133.25. Now, that's a quicker way to do it, but if you want to see it broken down a little more, we can use something called a percent table. Incorrect. Percent table is a different thing. A math drawing is what we ended up doing with this one. So I'm going to draw a box. Excuse the terrible amount of distance that's going to be broken up between these things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Butchered it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I apologize for the extra 30 to 40 seconds in this video that you're going to have to watch this. 1, 2. The last one's going to be a little weird. So at this end we have 0%, and at this end we have 100%. So we're going to be taking 79.95 and we're going to break it up into 6 parts. So we have this one being 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%, and 60%. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 left over. So we take this and we're going to divide it by 6. When you divide 79.95 by 6, you're going to get 13.325. And for the sake of the equation, we're going to round that up to 13.33. And if you put that through the 6, you get 79.95 again. So we're going to take 13.33 and we are going to multiply that by 100. We're going to multiply that by 10. I've said 100 because I looked right at the 100% when I said that. Didn't look at my notes. So you multiply 13.33 by 10, because 10 full bars would be 100%. And you're going to get 133.30, which it's a little higher because, again, I had to round up to get that. Because originally we had 133.25. It's 5-cent difference. Obviously, with rounding, it's going to be different. If you did it on a calculator, you can get exact numbers. The reason we do this one is to explain it a little bit better. You break everything out into even blocks, if I could draw them correctly, and you mark off 6 because 60%. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of 13.33. And that's obviously 79.95. You multiply it by 10 because there's 10 full blocks equal 100%. And that's basically everything how you do it. This is from Michael Gilmore from BSU, signing off.